Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a white frame on your videos in the CapCut mobile. So here I've already add my videos, and the first thing that you need to do after you add your videos, if you want to create a white frame, is go to overlay and just add a white solid color overlay from the CapCut library or stock videos. This one, click this and click on add. Now fit the size like this until it cover all of the clips, and after that go to mask, this one, choose the rectangle and adjust the position. Okay, I want to have a white frame like this, and after that just click on invert, and you can see the white frame will be there on your video. Click on the check icon, and as you guys can see here, the white frame is not applied to all of my clips. So just click on the white frame, go to speed and lower the speed so that it will have longer length, like this, longer duration. So just trim it like this and you are done. So that's how you can create a white frame on your videos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.